Yakima Valley College has received a $2.9 million grant through a Department of Education program which is designed to drive Latino students' success in higher education. Apple Valley News Now's Emily Goodell tells us the college is using that money to fund programs intended to help students with career readiness, leadership opportunities, and mental health care.
At Yakima Valley College, more than 60% of the student body is Hispanic. More than half come from low-income households, and 86% are first-generation college students. Something sociology professor Keith Reyes says has impacted the community college's funding over the years.
Historically, racial minorities and people of economic disadvantage have not been on the very top priority list of educational resources. We've always had this struggle of wanting to have a seat at the table and being given more than crumbs.
The Department of Education now working to change that, awarding YVC $2.9 million over the next 5 years through its Developing Hispanic Serving Institutions program. Money the college says will fund YVC's HSI Relevance Project,
geared towards making YVC a much more culturally responsive and student supportive and just equitable institution.
By establishing a leadership program to give students a voice in how YVC operates and investing in a career readiness program.
We've got to find work for the students who graduate from here. We have to make sure that they have economic viability with the piece of paper and the educational attainment that they acquire here.
The money will also go toward a campus wellness program, training professors to keep an eye out for students struggling with their mental health.
Making sure that first and foremost they are seen and they are heard and they know they're not alone.
And that they have access to affordable mental health care. Plus, creating affinity groups where people who share ethnic or cultural identities can build community.
Students who have a sense of belongingness, they stay, they graduate, and then they come back and they reinvest.
The project still in the planning phase, but YVC officials say they hope to start implementing some of these programs starting in January. In Yakima, Emily Goodell, Apple Valley News Now.
Now, YVC was one of more than a dozen community colleges across the country awarded more than $37 million through this Developing Hispanic Serving Institutions program just this year.